When doing half-life problems, there are several equations that are available to us. It just depends on the data that you're actually provided in the problem. That will determine the order of your usage, okay? The first equation that we're going to work with is this one here. 1 over 2 to the nth power equals the remaining substance or the remaining sample. Well, that's actually not the complete story. I wanted to wait and share this with you. It's the decimal portion of the remaining substance or the sample that you're working with. Decimal portion of there you go, of remaining substance. So let's talk about that and focus on that first. What is that? Well, I'm going to use the variable x just to represent our sample amount. So the way that you would determine this is you're going to take x